All right, good morning and welcome back to Euro USD trade setups. We would like to discuss a bit long term and recent wave activity that might be possibly uh, producing in the euro, and the next video will be for the gold. Uh, so let's get started. We are moving into the New York session for September 13th, 2019. We have been looking for an ABC according to the daily chart. It's actually a WXY on a longer time frame. We'll touch base in some other video, but in this one we will try and find out if an ABC from 2500 began in February 2018. This is the 1300 mark, probably 1500 mark, and we are now closing in on the wave C, that is wave A. Again, please excuse me for the nomenclature, not focusing on the degrees here but specific wave counts, that's all. Let's put a question mark here. So with respect to this diagram, we have wave A completed right there around the 1300 mark, wave B unfolded as a triangle, right, and if you look at wave C now, straight drop from almost 1500 levels through, you have that ABC, wave C producing as a potential ending diagonal, and then again you have an ABC, A, B and C, potential wave 2, and then we can count 5, so we are plotting A over here, B, C, kind of producing wave 3, and then again A, you have an A, B, and either we've gotten the C wave or it may just go and print or terminate waves here around 1.1145. So that could be the fourth wave within the ending diagonal, and then we might be looking for yet another low which can low below 925, which can terminate into the fifth wave. The price levels expected could be around 1.0830 or 1.08, somewhere near to that. That would ideally complete the wave structure ABC, and on a higher degree, which would be the first wave or first corrective wave, let's put into brackets, or wave A, then will begin a pullback towards a wave B of the same degree, and then wave C lower. So this is going to take several weeks and months to come by, where euro is expected to terminate at parity or even below that. So this is the long-term structure for euro. Please keep in mind it's still sell on rallies. Now coming back on the short-term view, let's look at the 4-hour chart. This is the structure where we are expecting waves 4 to terminate as an ABC. Here's your A. If you were there yesterday and day before yesterday, we were talking about sort of Gartley being complete. That's exactly what happened yesterday. So it wasn't surprising for a quick drop right there. It was actually a WXY, a complex corrective drop, WXY. Wave A, wave B unfolded as a WXY, and then wave C is in progress. The minimum requirement for wave C, if it is an ending diagonal, would be it would penetrate the first wave somewhere here. So a push higher towards 1135, 1145 in case of an ending diagonal. Will terminate a potential wave 4 before the last leg lower into wave C, wave 5, sorry. To simplify the structure, we may want to use Fibonacci ratios. There you go. In any case, whether it's finding resistance and terminating the fourth wave at around the 1145 mark, or pushing slightly higher towards 1183, in both cases a valid wave for termination could be considered. So for those traders who are thinking that euro USD may be out of woods, it's not generally the case. Looking at this point in time, at least we need to see a structure like that. It could be an impulse 5 waves rally, or it could be a leading diagonal. We need to see a clear 5 waves before we can eliminate any further lows for a good time to come forward, to go forward. Alright, so watch out for 1145. Is pretty close, 120 points away from the termination or potential termination of wave 4 before we would issue a sell call in the euro. Alright, so thank you once again for joining in, and you would want to be subscribed in the YouTube as well. We will s- start the live sessions very soon. It's probably next week or Monday onwards. You might be getting the notifications for the live sessions when it's on air. All right, and for now, the trade setups are clear. Euro USD, still some upside left if you have traded already. So let's talk about the trading point of view. If you have traded already, you must be in a long position right now with a stop just below the 925.26 mark, and you would want to target 1145 and take your profits off the desk, brothers. If you haven't done anything, then there might be a dip somewhere into the vicinity of 1.1020 or even lower, and you might want to go and take a chance of going long there with a stop right below yesterday's lows, targeting 1146 again. All right, so that's the setup for the euro right now, and we'll be back again with a quick update for gold chart setups, hourly chart setups for the day. All right, until then, good luck to your trades, and thanks again for joining. Goodbye.